riding's about 2.5 hours away. Forgot my butt pad. So my GoPro will go right there on my helmet. Hey neighbor. Just waiting on my buddy, Spinny, to get here and pick me up because I don't have a pickup. Something I'd like to change this year. I'm thankful for what I do have. That's pretty amazing. We're not even to the top of the hill yet. You white knuckling? This is fantastic. Yeah, losing more knobbies. This is why I like dirt bike riding better than hiking. I'm not worn out from getting to this place of magnificence. I love it. So this clip's at 200%. I'm not trying to trick anybody with that. I just wanted to give you a good idea of what the dirt's like over there and the type of trail that you're going to get if you go to Cline Butte. It's mostly just like this. There are some areas of rock and some trails that are designated as tougher trails, but overall it's really pretty easy. So if you're a novice rider or an intermediate rider, you can still have a good time over there. By the way, this mat right here, that's worth its weight in gold. I got that on Amazon. It's like a little chipping mat. You can stand on it, and then you don't get all dirty when you're changing your shoes and stuff at the end. So yeah, good time. Looking forward to going back several times this year. Well done.